Welcome back to another RecipeFairy.com video. In this video, we're going to explore 27 of those foods that start with I. Let's see how many of these you're familiar with. You'll be surprised how many foods start with the letter I. Number 1, ice cream. Number 2, Indian mustard. Number 3, iceberg lettuce. Number 4, ikako. Number 5, idli. Number 6, idiyappam. Number 7, iodized salt. Number 8, Inca berries. Number 9, Idaho potatoes. Number 10, ice pop. Number 11, ice cream soda. Number 12, iced coffee. Number 13, ice cream cake. Number 14, Italian ice. Number 15, Indian squash. Number 16, instant noodles. Number 17, Irish coffee. Number 18, Israeli falafel. Number 19, instant oatmeal. Number 20, Irish soda bread. Number 21, inebriant. Number 22, ice. Number 23, Indian almond fruit. Number 24, Indian pea. Number 25, instant pudding. Number 26, Irish cream. Number 27, ice vegetable. Don't feel bad if you couldn't name many foods beginning with I. It's definitely a lot tougher than you think. See you in the next video.